Right now, there are more children alive on Earth than there will ever be again. We have already passed peak child, and from now on, humanity ages. This isn't a prediction. This is happening now. My name is Marcelino Sutanto, and today I want to present about understanding the story of humanity's population shift. Since 1950, our world population has been rapidly increasing from 2.5 billion to 8 billion in 2023, and is projected at 10 billion by 2100. But here's the paradox. Population growth rate peaked in 1968 at 2.28% and has been falling quite rapidly, with it being around 0.9% in 2023 and projected to fall even further. This means that although we are adding more people than ever, we are also growing slower than ever. Look at how the population age structures change over time. In 1950, children made up almost 35% of humanity, while elders were just around 5%. Fast forward to 2023, the gap has closed quite dramatically, with the percentage of elderly almost doubling to 10%, while the percentage of children keeps on falling to around 25%. By 2100, we can expect that this gap will become closer than ever. Our world is aging very fast. Historically, Asia leads in terms of population increase, followed by Africa, while other continents remain relatively the same. In the projected data, however, Africa is predicted to grow massively for the next few decades, while other continents' growth is expected to be stagnant. This isn't just growth, it's a fundamental shift in where humanity lives. Now, let's zoom into the country level. First, let's take a look at the bar-list graph. China and India, unsurprisingly, remain at the top two, while other countries keep on shifting. Also, Pakistan, Nigeria, and Bangladesh can be seen rapidly rising to the top 10 at the end, hinting that African countries are indeed rapidly growing and may continue to do so in the coming years. Here's the demographic transition with fertility rate against median age. There is a negative correlation between these two variables. Hence, the lower the median age, the higher the fertility rate, which means more population growth in that country. Africa can be seen at the bottom right corner on its own with low median age and high fertility rate, signifying huge population growth potential, while other continents, especially Europe, are mostly on the upper left-hand corner with high median age and low fertility rate, suggesting an older population and less population growth in the coming years. From the correlation heat map, fertility rate is positively correlated with growth rate, but negatively correlated with both life expectancy and median age. This shows that as people live longer, fertility and population growth rate declines, and younger populations drive higher growth. This also implies that Africa's growth won't last forever. They're on the same path Europe took, just decades behind. So what does this all mean? Well, 4 numbers can tell the story. Population growth is falling. We are adding less people than before. Despite that, we are still growing. 2 billion more people by 2100, who will be much more older, with the median age projected to rise to 40 by 2100, which is almost twice of that in 1950. And that is because we have fewer children, with fertility rate dropping below replacement level of 2.1. This isn't a crisis, it's a transformation. Humanity is moving from rapid expansion to mature equilibrium, from a world shaped by youth to one defined by experience. The question isn't whether this shift will happen, it's already happening. The question is, are we building the systems to support this new reality? Thank you.